Hey everyone, this is Alessandro Bruxio from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the recipe for the most delicious red wine braised beef short ribs. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Let's get started. Let's start by prepping our veggies. We're going to be using 3 stalks of celery, 2 carrots, and 3 yellow onions. If the celery was pre-cut at the grocery store, cut off and discard any bruised ends. Then cut it lengthwise into strips and dice it into small pieces. Next, dice the carrots. You can peel the carrots if you wish, but there's really no need for it. Just make sure that they're well washed. Then, dice the onions. We're also going to be using 4 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. Next, let's make a bundle with some fresh herbs. I'm using a sprig of oregano, a couple sprigs of thyme, a sprig of rosemary, and 2 dry bay leaves. Tie them all together using some kitchen twine. We're going to be using 8 pieces of beef short ribs. They're about 4 to 5 inches long and have a good amount of meat. Start by seasoning them well all around with salt and fresh ground black pepper. Heat up a large Dutch oven pan, add a good drizzle of oil, then add the ribs. Do it in batches and do not overcrowd the pan. Brown the meat well on all the sides. Once the ribs are well browned and seared on all sides, remove them from the pan and set them aside. Into the same pan, add the onions, carrots, and celery and cook them until the onions start to get translucent and the vegetables just start to soften. Then, add the garlic and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Cook it for an additional minute, then season the vegetables with some salt and fresh ground black pepper. At this time, return the ribs into the pan. Add the bundle of herbs and a full bottle of red wine. I like using Cabernet Sauvignon. If the wine is not enough to cover the ribs, you can top it with some additional water. Bring it to a boil, then cover the pan and transfer to a 325 Fahrenheit oven, 162 Celsius, and let it braise for 2.5 hours. After 2.5 hours, the ribs should be tender and falling off the bones. Remove the pan from the oven and transfer it to the stovetop over medium heat. We're gonna let it cook for an additional 20 to 30 minutes in the stovetop to reduce the sauce. Using a ladle spoon, skim off any excess fat that has risen to the top. And at this time, we can remove and discard the bundle of herbs. Some people prefer to strain the sauce and remove the vegetables, but I like serving it with them. Today, I'm serving the short ribs over a bed of mashed potatoes. A couple of spoonsful of the sauce with those beautiful veggies, and a sprinkle of chopped chives. And now, there's only one thing left to do. It is time to eat. I really hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it. Let me know in the comments if you make it. And subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.
So good.